Which of the following is the correct relation between lift-dependent drag, lift-independent drag and drag coefficient? A CDCDZKCl2, B CDCDZKCl2, C CDCDZKCl2, D CDCDZKCl2. The correct answer is CDCDZKCl2. The flight path can be controlled by the use of A. Elevator, B. Rudder, C. Flaps, D. Slats. The correct answer is elevator. Total drag is the sum of A. Lift-dependent drag and lift-independent drag, B. Lift-dependent drag, lift-independent drag and volume-dependent wave drag, C. Lift-dependent drag and volume-dependent wave drag, D. Volume-dependent wave drag and lift-independent drag. The correct answer is lift-dependent drag, lift-independent drag and volume-dependent wave drag. By which of the methods the flight can be descended? A. Nose down pitch, B. Nose up pitch, C. Nose down and elevator, D. Elevator and nose up. The correct answer is nose up pitch. Which of the following are the two types of lift-independent drag? A. Surface friction drag and profile drag, B. Induced drag and profile drag, C. Surface friction drag and induced drag, D. Parasitic drag and induced drag. The correct answer is surface friction drag and profile drag. The flight path is unstable during A. The aircraft flying at airspeed less than minimum drag speed, B. The aircraft flying at airspeed more than minimum drag speed, C. The aircraft flying at airspeed less than maximum drag speed, D. The aircraft flying at airspeed more than maximum drag speed. The correct answer is the aircraft flying at airspeed less than minimum drag speed. In high subsonic Mach number, a value-dependent wave drag is not induced. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. At the backside of the drag curve, the rate of change of drag is negative. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The flight path gradient of descent can be increased by increasing airspeed. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. There are three types of drag. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.